Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Practice Listening Podcast. I am your host, Tom. Today, we have a fun and easy topic. We are going to talk about our favorite movies and series. And joining me today is my friend, Sarah. Hi, Sarah.
Hi, Tom. Hello, listeners. I am very happy to be here. I love watching movies and TV shows.
That is perfect, then. Many people love movies. So, let's start simple. Sarah, what is your favorite movie?
My favorite movie is Toy Story. I love that movie. It is funny, cute, and emotional. I watch it almost every year.
Toy Story. That is a great choice. It is a classic. Who is your favorite character?
Woody. He is loyal and caring. Also, he makes me laugh. And you, Tom, what is your favorite movie?
I think my favorite movie is The Avengers. I love action movies. I like superheroes, big battles, and a lot of explosions.
Wow, that is very different from Toy Story.
Yes, very different. I like action, and you like emotional stories. Speaking of stories, let's talk about TV. Do you have a favorite series?
Yes, I do. My favorite series is Friends. It is so funny. I love the jokes and the characters. I can watch Friends again and again.
Oh, yes, Friends is a classic. Many people love it. Who is your favorite character?
I think my favorite character is Phoebe. She is so strange and funny. Her songs are crazy.
Smelly cat, singing badly. Sorry, I am not a good singer.
It was not terrible. Maybe just a little terrible.
Thank you. I will not sing again. So, do you watch series every day?
Not every day. Usually, I watch one episode at night. It is my way to relax before bed. What about you? Do you watch series often?
Yes, I watch series almost every night. I watch on Netflix. Right now, I'm watching a show called Wednesday. It is fun and a little mysterious.
Oh, I like Wednesday. The girl, Wednesday Addams, is very serious, but she is funny too.
Exactly. I like her face. She looks angry all the time, but she is cool.
True. So, Tom, do you watch movies alone or with someone?
Usually alone. I live alone, so I watch movies with snacks and a blanket. Sometimes I go to the cinema with friends, but mostly I watch at home. And you?
I watch with my family. We sit on the sofa and eat popcorn. It is a special moment for us.
That sounds really nice. Watching movies with family is wonderful. Okay, let's talk about genres. What kind of movies do you not like?
Horror. I hate horror movies. I get scared easily. I cannot sleep after scary scenes. Never again.
I understand. I like horror movies, but sometimes after the movie, I hear strange noises in my house. Then I regret my life choices.
Yes, exactly. That is why I don't watch horror.
So, if someone is learning English, do you think watching movies helps?
Yes, it helps a lot. You can learn new words, accents, and expressions. But I think beginners should use subtitles. It makes it easier.
I agree. Subtitles are good, and animated movies are perfect for learners. The language is simple.
Yes, like Toy Story. Great for kids and adults.
Well, Sarah, thank you for sharing your favorite movies and series with us. It was a fun conversation.
Thank you for inviting me, Tom. I loved talking about it.
And to our listeners, thank you for listening. What about you? What is your favorite movie or series? Try to say it in English.
Yes, practice at home or with a friend.
See you next time on Practice Listening Podcast. Bye.
Goodbye, everyone.